Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to register for Deliveroo Driver in UK. First of all you have to do is make a Google search and type in register Deliveroo Driver and click on the top search result where it says apply now. It will open Deliveroo official website. Simply select apply now button and then you have to select your city. For instance, I will select Manchester. Click on next. Type in your first name, your last name, your email address, and your phone number. And then you have to select the vehicle type. For instance, if you have a bicycle, electric bike, scooter, or car. After that, click on next. After that, it will send a verification code on your email address to verify your email. And then it will ask you for your address verification and your bank verification, your criminal records check, your driving license check, your rider agreement, and your rider kit, each and everything. After you have confirmed everything, and then your application will be submitted. Once they have approved your application, now you can successfully deliver items with the help of Deliveroo in UK. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.